Hello guys, in this video I want to share about my experience first time I am learning English language, and also talking about the use of English in 3 areas. But before, let me introduce myself. I am Atika. Now I am a student at Patimura University, SDKU MPD. Okay, back to the topic. I first start language learning when I was in the 4th grade of elementary school. At the time, I only learning basic like numbers, alphabet, and simple vocabulary. But it only lasts for a few months because my teacher stopped teaching. After that, when I was in junior high school, I started learning English language more seriously, because my teacher was very enthusiastic and that made me more motivated to learn. And also I have a family member who lives in Netherlands, and they told me about English is very important. They said maybe one day I could travel in Netherlands. Since that moment, I became more excited and determined to learning English language. So, however, the learning process was not easy. I have many challenges, such as difficult understanding words, difference between pronunciation and spelling, and also I lack of confidence when I speaking in front of others. But step by step, I keep learning and improving my skill. When I went to college, I studied in the English department, and I also pushed myself to understanding more. Now I can understanding English language quite well, even though I'm still learning. Okay, so guys, based on my experience, I can say that the use of English in 3 areas, especially in Southwest Maluku, is still very limited. Students usually only use English language in the classroom and not in daily activity life. This makes them feel shy and less confident. There are several reasons for this. Okay, the first, the lack of learning media such as internet access and English book. And the second, limited number of English teacher in the school. And the last, the lack of the support from environmental, including family and community. Because the challenge, I would like give some suggestion for the teacher and also for the government. For the teacher, they should provide material based on student abilities, and also don't forget to using interesting learning media. For example, they can use simple videos, picture, and audio so students can learning more easily. And also they can create the habits such as practical short conversation for 5 until minutes before class. This can help students become more confident and not afraid to speaking. And the last, give simple tasks like learning 5 new words every day and using them in sentence can help students to improve their skills. Okay, and for the government, I think government more attention in need for 3 areas. Improving the internet access is very important so students can access online learning research, and also providing more English books in the school and village library is also necessary. And also government should also distribute that rural areas are not left behind. Moreover, training programs for teaching are important to improve the teaching skill. In my opinion, improving English learning in 3 areas: cooperation from everyone, from teacher, from student, from parents, and the government. With better support, more practice, and strong motivation, I believe students in 3 areas can improve their speaking, their English skill, and become more confident in using English in their activity lives. So maybe that's all for me, and thank you very much.